loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm at Walmart, and before I even get started with this video, I just want to let you guys know that Dollar General has like this clearance sale on bed decor, bath rugs, and all that stuff. It is 50%. I'm not going today, but I did want to let you guys know, just in case you want to run down there and catch some deals. But yeah, so I'm at Walmart and I just finished class, so I'm here at Walmart trying to see if there's any more Valentines clearance or hidden clearance. And I just thought I wanted to take you guys with me and see if maybe I can find some hidden clearance and match it with some coupons possibly. So yeah, so just stay tuned for the ride and like this video, comment, share, and all that other stuff that people like you guys to do. So stay tuned. So you guys, this Burt's Bees, it says $4, but it's actually ringing up $2.50 when you scan it. And I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I'm pretty sure there is a $2 off Burt's Bees, which will make it just 50 cents. So I'm gonna look through my coupons, but yeah. This Equate hand soap, it's not hidden, but it is 25 cents. I mean, it's hand soap, you know, so I think that's a really good deal to get some hand soap for just 25 cents. And they have a lot, it looks like. Yeah, so this Axe deodorant wipes. Now it says $3, but it's actually ringing up $1 when you scan it. And then here is the UPC. The Secret Body Cleansing Wipes. It says $2.50, but of course I scanned it and it's ringing up $1. Where's the UPC? Okay, and you guys, and here's the UPC for this item. And then this right here, the Dove Bath Bombs, it says $5.94, but when you scan it, it's ringing up $1.50. I'm going to show you guys the UPC. And even though one is like cracked, it really doesn't matter because it's going in your tub anyways. So yeah. Then I found these 3D white strips on clearance for $25, but when I scan them, they're actually $17, and they're originally $34, I believe. So that's already half off. And there's UPC. So I'm gonna get these pearly whites on the low. So they have a lot of oral care. This Burt's Bees, the charcoal powder, says $15, but when I scan it, it is $9. So yeah, and of course I'm going to show you guys the UPC so that you can check your store, see if you have any. Guys, make sure to check your beauty clearance because I found a lot of stuff over here that was makeup, oils, perfumes, all of that. So I'm just going to show you guys what I found over here. First, I found this 2-pack Nostalgia cologne for men. It says $9.98, but it's actually ringing up for just $1. Yes, $1. So I'm going to show you guys the UPC on this as well. Now, the box is disgusting, ew, but you can just take it out and put it in a little gift basket and bingo. And I found another Nostalgia gift set. It says $14.98, but when you scan it, it is actually ringing up for just $1.50. So you guys, you can just pick up some of these and save them for Father's Day or someone's birthday or anything. Here's something for the ladies. It says $14.98, but it's ringing up $1.50. And yes, this is a perfect gift as well. So you guys have no excuses. I'm getting you guys ready for every holiday, every birthday, everything. On the low too. Then here's another gift set. A 5-piece. It says $14.98, but again $1.50. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the UPC on this as well when I find it. Okay, here it is. And I also found this 3-piece bath bomb set. I didn't see a price, but it is scanning for 50 cents. And then it says here that there wasn't any in my store. So yeah, but here's the UPC on that. Check the kids clearance as well. There's never any boy clearance. But anyways, This shirt is ringing up $1. It says $2 on the tag, but it is ringing up $1. Same for this. This doesn't have a clearance sticker on it at all, but it is $1. So yeah, on that. Found this little cute shirt. It's too big for my son, but it says $3. But it is ringing up $1 when you scan it. So I would just say check all the clearance clothes because the prices are wrong. Then they have these scullies and mittens. They are 75 cents. I scanned them. So if you want to stock up for next winter or for this winter, because it's still cold here, yeah, you have the option. If you can find any more of the soft soaps that are 18 ounces, check just the normal section. If you can find any that are 18 ounces, I would scan them because they are ringing up 75 cents. And there are also 75-cent coupons on softsoap.com, which will make these completely free. And these Degree deodorant wipes says $2.50, but they're actually ringing up $1 when you scan them. And then there's a $1.25 coupon on this product, which will make it completely free. Here, this Jason deodorant stick, it says $2.50, but it is actually ringing up $1 when you scan it on the app. And then I saw that there's also a lavender scent as well. So if you see either one of these, they're actually $1. You guys, I just scanned these Valentine's Day boxers, and they are ringing up 78 cents. So these are extra large. I don't know who in the world gonna put these on, but they're 79 cents or 78 cents. So check everything. They're over here by the stuffed animals. You guys, check your books as well, because the Valentine's Day books and the lovey-dovey doll books, they are also part of the clearance. I scanned this one and it is 37 cents, and I also scanned this one and it is ringing up 47 cents. So just, if it has some hearts and it's saying that I love you, just scan it. I mean, it's either yes or no. So I'm definitely gonna be picking up some of these books. This has like a little crayon card, something, I don't know, but I'm gonna scan that as well. So yeah, scan your books. I'm telling you guys, anything Valentine's Day related, scan it, because 9 times out of 10 it is also part of the clearance. Hey you guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and just tuning into another video. If you just get an opportunity to go out to Walmart, just go to the clearance section and just scan your items, because clearly the tags lie, men lie, women lie, and clearance tags lie. So yeah, but if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and a notification bell below so that you can be notified anytime I upload another video. And just comment down below and let me know if you plan on going out and getting any of the savings. I love you guys so much. Remember to always be a blessing, and until next time, bye.